pulling amps, but she ain't pumping. She ain't pumping, so I think we're checking common and start. 2.7. .5. That adds up. Well, figure we'd check the cap first. So we're good. This is a 45. Y'all probably can't see that, but I can see it. 45 plus or minus. Dual run cap. We're only getting 30. It's a little low. So I'm pulling amps when the system is running, but it's not pumping. So that's interesting. I'm not sure what this hard start like ohms out to or anything, but I'm just kind of curious fellow. Let's see what it ohms to. It says it's ohming OL. That's interesting. How about microfarads? 145 microfarads. 1.6. Interesting. We have a disconnect pulled. Let's try that. Doing anything. She is dunzo. Super dunzo. You know? Well, it might be inevitable. This might be a compressor change because they ain't doing squat. I don't know what. It's pulling amps, but it ain't pumping. This is what it sounds like when I pull it off. It doesn't sound good to me. It sounds weird. I don't know much, but that don't sound pretty to me. This is probably going to do nothing at all. But I'm literally just, she's a little toasty. Just trying to wake her up a little bit, you know. So I've shooketh her, the compressor. I don't know why I refer to everything as a her or a he or whatever. Can we get her to do anything at all?